Hello guys! Siguro nakita ninyo, madalas ako nandito ngayon sa bathroom kasi doon sa lounge room, ayan nakita nyo yung bathroom ko, ay sa bedroom ko nga pala, mali ka na Muruti, I'm sorry, I done mistake again because I'm getting dementia now. Anyhow, I'm still and always taking on my bathroom. That's my bathroom. And also, I am in the bedroom. So, dito ako nagtitake minsan. Ayan, ng bedroom ko. I'm sorry, my bedroom, it's so messy. Because today, it's Saturday. Right? It's Saturday today. So, I haven't got time to clean. I have to wait for my cleaner to come. So, thank you guys for watching. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat. I would like to say thank you very much sa lahat nga nagtitiwala sa akin, nga mga subscriber ko. Although that I'm only a small YouTube vlogger, pero nagdadasal lang ako. I just pray. So, yung nanghihingi ng ng taga wifi, gustong magpakabit ng wifi, uulitin ko kayo muli ha. Bibigyan ko kayo ng pampakabit ng wifi. Pero kayo ang magbabayad ng monthly nyo. So, sipag-sipag lang. Ang gusto ko lang makita ko kayo sa comment section yung mga mukha ninyo. Kasi alam niyo bulag ako. Alam naman niyo ang bulag at saka dementia. You know, because I'm blind in my brain. At dementia in my left brain. Right? So, please be with me. And I'm trying to be. I can have more videos and more subscribers. So all those people asking me for help, don't worry about it. It might not straight away I can give it to you, but I have a list. I always writing down who even needs something for help, but I cannot help you, all of you, everybody. Thank you, everybody.